everyone, and welcome back to English Channel Podcast.
Hi, guys. Thanks for joining us. Today's episode is called English Speaking Practice, Real English Conversations for Everyday Life.
We're going to help you practice English through real-life conversations, things you'll actually use every day.
Exactly. We'll talk about greetings, shopping, going to restaurants, making phone calls, work conversations, and even casual small talk.
And remember, listen carefully, repeat after us, and imagine you're part of the conversation. Let's start simple. Greetings.
Example, hi, how are you?
I'm good, thanks. How about you?
Let's role play. Hey, Anna, good morning. How are you?
Good morning, James. I'm doing great, thanks. How about you?
Pretty good. Did you sleep well?
Yes, I did. Thanks for asking. Notice how natural this sounds. Short, polite, friendly.
Now, imagine meeting someone for the first time.
Hi, I'm Anna. Nice to meet you.
Hello, I'm James. Nice to meet you too. Where are you from?
I'm from Canada. And you?
I'm from the UK. Okay, now let's go shopping.
Role play in a clothing store. Excuse me, can I try this shirt on?
Of course. The fitting room is over there.
Thank you. Do you have this in a larger size?
Yes, we do. One moment, please.
Common phrases. How much is this? Can I pay by card? Do you have this in another color?
Segment 3, Eating at a Restaurant.
Everyone loves food. Let's practice restaurant conversations.
Good evening. How many people?
2, please.
Right this way. Here are your menus. Can I get you something to drink?
Yes, a glass of water, please.
Sure. Are you ready to order?
Yes, I'd like the grilled chicken with vegetables.
And for you,
I'll have the pasta, please.
useful expressions. Could we have the bill, please? The food was delicious. Thank you. Do you have any vegetarian options?
Now let's practice making phone calls.
Hello, Green Dental Clinic. How may I help you?
Hi, I'd like to make an appointment with Dr. Lee, please.
Of course. When would you like to come?
Next Tuesday morning, if possible.
Let me check. Yes, 10 a.m. works.
Perfect. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
Notice how polite and clear this is.
Let's move to professional English.
At work. Hi, James. Did you finish the report?
Yes, I sent it this morning. Did you get it?
Yes, thank you. It looks great. At school. Hey, do you understand the homework?
A little. I think we need to write an essay.
Yes, about technology. Want to study together?
Sure.
Useful expressions. Could you repeat that, please? Can I ask a question? Let's work on this together. Finally, small talk, the most common type of English conversation.
Example at the bus stop. Nice weather today, isn't it?
Yes, it's beautiful. I hope it stays sunny.
Me too. Do you live around here?
Yes, just a few blocks away. Example at work.
Did you watch the game last night?
Yes, it was exciting.
Common small talk topics: weather, hobbies, movies, travel, food.
And that's it for today's podcast.
We hope you enjoyed practicing English with us.
Remember, the best way to improve is to listen, repeat, and use English in your daily life.
Thank you for joining us on English Channel Podcast.
See you next time.
Bye.